this tutorial, I'm using the Chocolates by Juvia's. And we're going to use these top 3 shades here. And for brushes, we are using 4. And these are the brushes. So an angled eyeliner or eyebrow brush, a pointed detail brush, a pencil brush, and then a pointed blending brush. And this fluffy tapered brush that you can use for blush or powder. So it's kind of multi-purpose. And the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, Black Radiance Mascara, in black. And then that's your average Real Her blush, or any mauve blush, any mauve blush that you want to use, or rosy, whatever blush you like to use. So it's very simple brown eye look. It always looks lighter on video than it does in person, so don't think it's as washed out. My lights, for some reason, really, my one light washes out my colors. I don't know how to figure that out to make it like darker than it's too dark. Yeah, it's fun. Okay, so I'm gonna start with applying the concealer lid. And I know I haven't done voiceovers, I just don't have time for that. So I will do another voiceover as soon as I can. I'm gonna start with the pointed blending. Do this shade right here. And I'm applying it right on the eyelid to start. And I'm just gonna blend it. Out. And then up. So you want to make sure it's concentrated here, and once there's barely anything left on your brush, you bring it up all the way to the brow and out. So it gives you like a wash of color. You can do this with any color you want. Probably don't want to do it with black, but you can. If you do it very carefully, you can end up with like a dark black to gray. So see, it's like a nice wash of brown. I'm applying a little more, starting at the bottom. And work our way up. Go in and out. I'm gonna go like this and sweep it. This will help really darken in here. And pat. And blend. Okay, now I'm going to switch to this guy right here and going into this warmer tone. Okay, so we're applying here and going in, keeping this area dark, not really going up with this color. Concentrating on the outer corner, bring it in. And out. Taking the little pointed one. I wonder if this is going to be like an eyeliner. Underneath. and on top as well. Angled back into this one. We are sweeping out and up like that. Back with the blending, back into this brown here because I want to make sure that we have enough color up here. So after so many people asking me over and over, it seems like, I've created an eyebrow tutorial, and I don't know, you guys might be disappointed because it's not anything special. But people are curious as to how I do my eyebrows, and finally did it. And I did it in the TikTok style, which is like not horizontal but vertical and very close up. I hope that I was focused and everything because I haven't looked at it yet, but yeah, I'm gonna look at it and see. If not, I'll have to redo it. I hope that it does work out and that you guys can finally see how I do my eyebrows, and maybe you can follow it. I don't know. So blending some more. Going up again with nothing on the brush or whatever is left, because that's what this look is. Like that, a wash of color, a little bit darker down here. Now I'm gonna take my pinky and go into this color right here. This one is very rich, so try not to put too much. Starting in the inner corner, and I'm sweeping it outwards and up a little bit like that. The reason I do it with my finger, it's because you can actually get a better saturation of the color, of these shimmery colors, with your fingers than with a brush. And then with the brush you get fallout, and you don't want all kinds of fallout down here by your nose. So this is what we're doing, like that. And you get better control of where you want it, and with your pinky it's small enough to fit in here. We're not going to do any other eyeliner, just mascara. If you guys enjoy these more simple but still dramatic looks, let me know. Try to create things that are easier for people to do. I can do like the fancy dramatic, you know, super artistic looks that a lot of people do, but I feel like those are unrealistic if you actually want to recreate it, you know, or if you want to wear it. They're cool for certain occasions, and I do enjoy making looks like that. But for the most part, I feel like something more realistic and wearable, I don't know, easier. But let me know down in the comments if you enjoy looks that are simplified but still dramatic, because this is actually still dramatic in real life. It's not like super simple where like you can barely see the color. It looks a lot richer and darker in person than it does on the video, and even in the picture sometimes it doesn't show up like it's supposed to, because it's an iPhone and it's not a DSLR, which gives you the best detail and realistic version of what is that actually there. Okay, the blush right here, and I just went like this. I kind of swept it on the side of my face. Staying on the cheekbone, if my hair would just not decide to be part of the show here, it'd be great. And sweep. What I like about this brush is that it gives you a very light wash of color. That's my word for today, wash. And it doesn't just leave you like one strong patch of color. It spreads it out very well. So that's what I like about this brush for this style of blush application. See, now I have my blush and it's soft but still there. I never think about doing lips because I'm kind of lame like that. So I'm just using the lip oil because my lips already have a very rich rosy color to them, and I can just apply something shiny. And it works. Okay, so this is the look. Now for the try on part. I have 2 new contacts to show you, and I absolutely love these. I've been wanting to try them for a long time. Ever since I saw them and I would see pictures of other people wearing them, I was like, am I good? So we're gonna start with Trinity Green, and I'm gonna put a picture right there. Trinity Green. If you're looking for some really nice green that look realistic and are comfortable, I recommend the Trinity collection. Up close, I'll put it real close. There, you see? That's what it looks like. And there they are. I really like them. And they're comfortable. They just have a really good print, and even the center opening for your eye is a good size. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's, yeah. So that's Trinity Green. And the next pair I'm going to show you is Trinity Gray, and I love these as well. So my 3 favorites now for a gray color is the Ocean Gray, the Pearl Gray, which is absolutely stunning, and the Trinity Gray. There it is up close. It's got a hint of brown right in the center, which I think is very smart to do for, you know, brown-eyed people. That brown in the center really helps to kind of mesh the 2 colors together without it being super obvious, because it kind of goes from your brown to that little brown into the bluish gray. And these are the Trinity Gray. And there you have it, guys. Those are the 2 new contacts I'm going to show you. I will put the link to my affiliate link and my discount code if you want to go ahead and check these out and try them out for yourself. If you're looking for, you know, some gray or some green that don't look super fake, check these out. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give my video the thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the bottom comment section which contacts you prefer. If you like both of them, like I do, let me know. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed for more videos to come in the future. And as always, rock on.